Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video I am going to share with you 5 ways of styling a black kurti. Well, I have selected 5 styles that I usually do. So without any further ado, let's get started with look number 1. My first look has a kind of retro vibe in it, and the only other color that I have used is white. So this is a combination of black and white, and here I am showing you my jewelry. It's made from those kori, those seashells, and I love this jewelry of mine. I had paired it with a simple bangle and a big ring. So this is the entire look of mine, and I'm pairing with this pink pelisse to add a bit of pop of color. Though it's light in color, but the entire look came like this, and I'm very much happy with it. So, and there's my doggy behind me. And for the bottom I have taken a black and white polka dot palazzo, and it's chiffon kind of a material which is very lightweight and flowy, also breathable fabric, very good for summers. And I have just tied a hair bun, loose hair bun, a kind of low hair bun actually, and pairing with my favorite bag. If you guys have gone through my bag collection, then you will know that what I have did to this bag. So just grabbed it and pairing with this look, and I'm happy with this look, what it came out. What do you think? Pretending to be a model, but actually I'm not. Black is a very favorite color of mine, and it's very close to my heart, and it's so much versatile that I can experiment a lot of looks with it. This is so good. And here's the look came out entirely, showing you thoroughly so that you have an idea. And now moving to the look number 2. So here I have paired my kurti with black flared cotton palazzo. It's a multicolored palazzo with several prints over it, and it's very flowy and it has a very nice flare. I have taken this palazzo from online, and it's very comfortable, breathable, and appropriate for summers. And with this I have paired this multicolor bag. This bag also I have shared in my bag collection ka video, and good to go. And here I have only changed my bangle, and the earring is same. And for the upper part, as I have 2 points in my ear, so I have wore a small black stud with it. And for necklace, I have taken that double jhumka wala necklace of mine, which has both a golden and silver tint, and this goes really well with this dress, and I really feel comfortable in this look. So moving on to look number 3. Here I have tied my hair with a change in accessories, but same earrings. Only I have changed my neck piece. This is a very sleek kind of necklace which I have purchased from a local store nearby my house, and it has an owl motif, and it's very cute and goes well with several dresses. And for the bottom I had a blue and white printed skirt, and I had paired this look with my blinky black kolhapuri juti. I love this type of jutis very much. This adds a very good blink to my entire outfit, and it's very summer friendly, very nice, ethnic, as well as stylish, and something comfortable. And with this I'm pairing a black bag of mine, which has a golden chain on the handles. And yeah, I haven't changed my bangles, it's the same, and just this much of light makeup, same watch, same ring, and my look is complete here. Skirts are always a big yes for summer, and this look is a must try guys, you will love it. And here how it came. So moving on to the look number 4. This look is the smartest look among all those, because denims are always in fashion, and as right now it's monsoon season, so it's not too much hot. So during the night you can definitely pair denim jackets with your black kurti or any kind of solid color kurtis. So denims are always in fashion and they just add a smartness to your look, and I am always in love with my denim jacket. And now I am opening my earring, that was a jhumka, and without the jhumka how it looks I'm showing you all. And again pairing with my that pink color ka bag, not pink color ka bag, pink color ka sequence written bag, and with the same pink bellies. Here in this video I just used 2 bags and 2 shoes that I showed, and by that I created the look. So moving on to look number 5. For the final look I just removed my denim jacket, but I haven't removed my jeans from the bottom. And you can also roll up your sleeves to that elbow level. This look is also very nice. With this look you can do any kind of hairstyle of your choice. It's a very versatile kind of a look, and whatever you want, either you want to open your hair, you want to tie, or you want to do a messy bun, all will go well. And this look is very much good for the college goers. So that's all guys, now ending my video. So if you guys like my video, then please hit the like button and comment, and also subscribe my channel. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care, tata and bye.